Hey everybody, welcome back to another walkthrough by MarineMax Danvers. My name is Adam Van Fleet, and today we're walking through a 2024 Boston Whaler 170 Montauk. This one has the silver graphics with the chrome logo back there. You have the standard high stern rails, and then we opted for a split bow rail up front on this one. You also have the fishing package. So the fishing package is going to come with a couple things. You have your tackle storage drawers here. Get this out of the way. 2 tackle boxes in there. You have the cooler up front, and then your rocket style rod holders there. It also is optioned with the bow cushion. It's a 2-piece cushion. You have a storage compartment in the rear under that cushion, and an anchor locker up front. Over at the helm, we have a couple different options as far as electronics. This one's fully equipped, so you have a SIMRAD MFD there. Multifunction display will have your GPS, fish finder, and some vessel management systems. SIMRAD VHF, and then a 4-speaker JL audio system on there as well. Comes each with separate covers, stainless steel steering wheel, and then Mercury controls. As we move towards the back of the boat, you have the reversible pilot seat. Nice, simple, 3-position seat. So you have one all the way this way where it was originally, and then in the middle for a leaning post. Underneath that, you have storage. In the back, you also have 2 jump seats on either side. So we've removed this one here, obviously, because we have the stairs, but that drops into 2 rod holders, and the cushion is removable as well. And then on this side, if you can see from there, you have the backrest and everything full position there. 115 horsepower Mercury combined thrust engine with a stainless prop that'll go on there. Like I said, we just took it in, but we will be putting a prop on there for you when you take it. Bimini top in a closed position now with the boot. Does open up to about where I'm standing. And then last but not least, standing from the factory, you do have a recessed bilge access here as well. Guys, this one's in stock. We are going to wrap it up, so it'll be stored for the rest of winter. If you do want to purchase a new boat from us, we will include storage for the winter season for this season at no charge to you. So don't think just because it's the middle of winter you're going to have to figure it out. We'll help you with all that stuff, and your warranties will start in the spring. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time, guys.